When I first started my online business, one of my challenges was to protect my content behind a paywall for those paying members. So I went through so many different software companies, and to be honest, I wasn't really satisfied. There was just something that wasn't working really well for me, which got me very, very frustrated. So I finally came across WishList Member, and to be honest, this is an amazing product and I still use it today on my production website. It controls pretty much everything on my site. Now, before I continue, I'd like to remind you that they have a Black Friday offer up to 50% off. So the link to that is in the video description below. But in this video, I am going to show you how I use it on my website and also give you an interface overview just so that you know what it looks like and how you're likely going to set it before you actually buy it. All right, so let's take a look here and see how I use it on my website. So basically, if you want to build an online business where you want to build a recurring revenue, or you want to sell digital products like courses, ebooks, or you want to just protect your content, this is the plugin for you. So this is WishList Member. Now, how I use it is I use it for my email marketing automation. So it integrates very well with a lot of software out there, and I will go through that as well throughout this video. So this connects with my email marketing software. So what happens is when someone, let's say, signs up for a specific level, then that information is sent to my email automation software so that in the future, if I need to send emails, that can be done very, very easily. Now, the key feature to this is the integrations. It integrates with so many software and plugins out there. It's really, really good. Now, one of the most important things when running an online business is to automate your website, because you don't want to keep going in manually and adding information or sending emails or any of that. Ideally, you want to automate it. So WishList Member also does a good job of that. Right. It also integrates with my payment gateway. I use WooCommerce for my website. And over here, I also run some courses on my website. So for those of you that know me, you know I have quite a lot of courses on funnelstoincome.com. So it integrates very well and it gives access to anyone that has bought a course. So WishList Member gives you that protection. Okay, it decides, once you set it all up, it knows who to give access to this course, that course, or that course. So this is how this works in a very, very powerful way. Now, I also have an online community and I use BuddyBoss, so I have a forum and some groups. Now, WishList Member also protects my pages. There are specific pages for my members that when they sign up for my membership, I give them some templates absolutely free. But if you're not a member, you do not have access to these templates. So this also protects pages and posts. Now, I also run a monthly membership, and this is my VIP membership, and also this ties in with WishList Member. So as you can see, WishList Member really protects everything and allows easy access to other services on my website. Now let's dive in and let me show you how WishList Member works and what it looks like. So when you first install it, this is the entry that you get over here. It's called WishList Member. So when you click here on dashboard, this is where it gives you like an overview of what is happening on your website. So you have all your users here, your members, non-members, active, cancelled, and so on. And this is where you add your membership levels. Now, adding a membership level is very, very easy. All you have to do is to come over here to setup, click on this plus button, and this is where you enter your membership level. So I'm just going to say new level, click apply. And basically everything that relates to this membership level is all here. So as you can see, it's very, very easy to use. So what I'll do here is I'll click here on actions. So you can also set actions here. Now remember, earlier on I spoke about automations. So if you click here on actions, you can actually tell WishList Member what you want to happen. So if I click here, I could say remove from a level or cancel from this level. So I can do basic automations that way. I also have email notifications here. So let's say someone signs up for this new level. I also have emails that are sent out automatically. So if I click here on edit notifications, this, as you can see here, it says you have successfully registered as that membership member. Please keep this information safe, blah, blah, blah. Now, you can also go in and play around with the wording of these emails, or you can pretty much rewrite the whole email. It is up to you. So all these are automations, and they work really, really well. Now, if a membership is incomplete, they also get an email. And if they have canceled, they also get an email, and so on. So as you can see, you can do quite a lot here. Now let's head over here to integrations, because this is the part which I really, really like. Now, if you're running a membership website or an online community, you want to be able to make sure you make payments easy for your customers. So here you can see we have payment providers. There are a ton of these. You know, there's Stripe, WooCommerce, PayPal, ClickBank, and so on. Now, in my situation, I use WooCommerce because WooCommerce has all the payment gateways that I need, and it also ties in very well with WishList Member in terms of the integration. So when someone pays through WooCommerce, they get access straight away onto the membership level, and I'll show you this integration as well. So let's take a look at that. So as you can see, WooCommerce has been added here. So when I come over here, and this, remember, this is the payment providers. Now, of course, you want to be able to send emails easy on your system. So here we are. We have also these email providers. So ActiveCampaign, Aweber, ConvertKit, MailChimp, and so on. This integrates very well. Now, when you run your online course website, or you run a membership website, you want to be able to communicate with your students on a regular basis, and this allows us to connect and send emails easily. So these are all the email providers. And these are great integrations. Now, on the other services here, this is where we have Buddy Boss, Platform, Easy Webinar. As you can see, there's quite a lot here. We also have Tutor LMS, but what I really like here is webhooks. Now, webhooks can provide information from one website to the next website, provided that both websites have webhooks. So you can just push information over and allow automatic membership access just through the webhook. So it's very, very, very powerful. I really like this feature. Okay, so moving on, we also have ways of protecting our pages, which can be done over here on content protection. But I want to show you a much, much easier way to do this. So I'm going to come over here and click on Add New to create a brand new page. Okay, so let's give this page a name. I'm just going to call this Mac. Okay, let's publish it. Now, of course, WishList Member works with Divi. It works with so many page builders out there. It also works with the standard Gutenberg editor. So now, if I scroll all the way down here, you notice that we have this entry here, which is called WishList Member. So this is where we can protect this page based on the membership levels. So if I come over here to protection and access, by default, it's set to unprotected. But if I click here on protected, notice what happens. I now have access. So this is where I can say protect this page, and I'm going to allow people here from VIP to access this page. So if I hit apply, just by doing that, I have given access to the VIP members to this page called Mac. Anyone else who's not a VIP member will not see this page. Okay, now you can also do some fancy stuff here and system pages. So let's say someone comes here and they're a non-member. You can go in here and configure where the non-members go. So let's say this is a paid subscription website. If they land on this page, they can get redirected to a specific URL or a specific page. Now on that page, this is where you can have your membership options, where you can say, hey, you know what, pay such and such and get access to all this content. So as you can see, it's a very, very powerful system. I haven't covered everything here on this video, but now it's time to talk about the bonus. So when you purchase WishList Member using my affiliate link, which is in the video description below, it's going to take you to this page. So this page here has this information, which just tells you what you get when you sign up or purchase WishList Member using my affiliate link. So you get this course called Learn-Mastery. So this course is all about creating online course websites. It teaches you how to do that. Now, the reason why I've added Learn-Mastery here is because chances are when you purchase WishList Member, you'd like to create an online course website. So I've pretty much just added in there so that it's easier for you to create that kind of website. Secondly, I also have membership website secrets. Now, this is a course that teaches you how to create membership websites using WishList members. So when you purchase this, you don't have to stress about how to use it and where to go to try and learn how to use this software. This course will teach you how to do that. I'll also be running a live workshop which gets you up and running once you've bought this course, but this is going to be after Cyber Monday, when this deal is over. So what do you need to do next? So basically you need to go to this URL. It's in the video description below. So when you land on this page, this is where you want to add your email address. So let me just add mac@mac.com. Now this is just a email that doesn't exist, but of course in your case you want to add an email that exists. Okay, so that's how you get your bonuses. So purchasing WishList using my affiliate link gets you these 3 courses plus the live workshop. So here is where I need to know where I should send the bonuses, and also this is how I verify that you've used my affiliate link. So if I click here on buy WishList member now, I can just click here and this now is going to take me to the deals page. Okay, so it's going to redirect now and take me over to this page, and here we go. So this is the Black Friday sale. It's going to expire in 4 days, so you can claim your discount here. So what really caught my eye with WishList member before I started my online business is this part right here. So as you can see, if you're running an online business, if you have monthly membership site, so let's say you charge $5 per month. So for 50 members, you get $250 per month. Isn't that cool? Or if you run your website at say $10 a month and you have 50 members, you get $500 a month. So as you can see here, as it grows, this is where this really starts getting exciting, because when you get, let's say, for example, 1,000 members paying $10 a month, this is $10,000 a month. Now, this is amazing passive income. But of course, you have to have something of value that you're providing for people to pay you that continuous $10 a month. But this is really what got me into setting up an online business. And to be honest, it is doing really well. So don't lose out on this opportunity. It's up to 50% off on the licenses. So go ahead, click that link, leave your email so that I can send you all the bonus courses. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Take care.